Well, welcome in, everybody. We uh we're gonna kind of jump right into it. As you can see, I am. Yep, there we go. Okay, cool. So I blew two accounts on this on a payroll day today. And just decided. I mean, I went on the one account. I kind of hedged myself and said, you know what? Let's do a 2-to-1. Either I'm going to blow two or win win two. I ended up winning one and blowing two. So we're going to jump in and do number 8 because this one is 1,800 bucks away from getting funded. This one is 1,000 bucks away from getting funded. So let's knock out number 8 and get this done and over with. This is this has been a long time coming. I've had some issues with platforms, I guess, type deals. Just absolutely wrecking myself and leaving orders open. It was stupid. Let me see. Let me see what's going on. Okay, we're hitting. We bounced off the IB level. Where's the 15 minute? Oh, we're about to set the 15-minute range. So there's your low. This one's about to be your high. So, well, we got 7 seconds. Let's see. I think the high is set in. Yep, high looks set in. So let's just boom. There we go. Already. Here we go. Let's see if we can't get back down to this level. Nope. Broke through, pushed through. I really like this short position here. So let's even short it with this one too. And try to get nope. Broke through, still pushing up higher. Pushing new highs. Yeah. That's rough. Let's get it back down. Let us see. Let us see. Bring it back down. Yeah. Oh, trading on three cons. That's why. Oh yeah, the max for the 50K accounts here is 3 contracts. So don't want to get out, take this loss, but this account's about to be done for the day. I think it should close out automatically here any second. So that's rough. Mm, facing that resistance up there, it really doesn't want to go higher. But I mean, we're so close to 21,600 that it should just bust. Where is it? Kind of mine. There we go. There's another one. Mm, short up here too. We're not gonna. I'm not gonna forget about. I'm not gonna flip flop in long and short. I mean, there's. Hmm. Let us see. Let us see. It might just hit the 600s and then pop back down, but there's no no rhyme or reason. Let's see. Let's see. Come back down. Everything's got to gap up from the payroll. That's the problem with playing the news and playing payroll is it's either going to continue or it will plummet. And right now, the Mag 7, the biggest factors, Microsoft, Amazon, and Nvidia are all retracing a little bit. And then Apple is slowly ticking up. But Nvidia is having a big drop. Amazon already had a big drop. So, I mean, let's see how the Mag 7 is. Because we're hitting a pivot point on NASDAQ, and it should, nothing should happen, but it's hitting a pivot point. It's hitting a resistance level, so it should pull back. So this is wild that it's just continuing. Man, this account should be gone. Should be gone, but it's not. It's giving me some chance. Ugh, rough. Yeah. Let's just kind of see because I might just have to jump onto whatchamacallit, take profit at this rate. Shit. Mm-mm-mm. Let's see. Let's see. We gonna have a pullback. I mean, we kissed the pivot point. We kissed it. Now let's bring that bad boy back down because this is in 15-minute range. It's just boom, boom, boom up, and then a huge fluctuation just from 840 to 45. So boom, that huge run. What's that? 523 to 572. So that's 50. Yeah, it's already ran up 50 points. Yeah, it's just ridiculous. But that's trading for you, you know. Let's see. Let's see. Let's us see. Let's us see. Nope, there's a 601. There's a 603s. So, dude, yeah, those accounts, all these accounts. Damn, I was so close to passing and just got screwed. Well, that fucking happens. That sucks. But what can you do? That account was so close. That account was just started. Yeah, that sucks. So this is my last saving grace. Well, looks like it's going to be a long and tough day. Microsoft having a nice red candle, Amazon having a red candle, Apple having a red candle, but Nvidia is just booming now. So check out. I mean, it just doesn't make sense that the Mag 7 used to have such an influence on NASDAQ. Now NASDAQ literally just laughs at it. So, mm, 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 mm. Oh, we got news coming out in about 7 minutes. I mean, that's really the only big thing that's coming on. But yeah, as you can see, we started out today and lost these 5 accounts. Well, this one not yet, but I'm not counting too much. Mm. Okay, Microsoft taking the Reds, Apple taking Reds, Nvidia hopefully soon. But man, I have no idea. This is rough. We're gonna have to reset 3 of these bad boys. So we got one. Let's see. And let's get that third bad boy. And we're just slowly grinding higher. Man, this sucks. At this point, I kind of want to blindly just jump. Okay. Well, I'm going to refresh the screen because I did just reset 3 of these because on my funded features, you can only have 3 accounts, but you can pass in one day. So boom, there's my 3 new accounts right there. 11, 12, 13. Ooh, I'm going to group them together. What did I say? 11, 12, 13. So now I'm copy trading these 3. Test and 11. So now we're obviously going down. As long as we don't break that little area, but go through that, then we're good. So I'll just keep eyes on this down here. When it hits the profit, then I'll go exit and close off. So buyers really don't want it to. I mean, buyers are going to fade out somewhere up here. So let's see. As long as we don't break that, we'll be fine. Keep my stop right there at 612. Hmm. I'm in at 601. Let's see if we can't break and fall through that 600. Buyers seem to be giving it up now, so that's a good thing. That's a good sign. But dang, that was rough. I didn't like that. Let's see if we can't swing it on down. We're already up 11, 12, 13, about 12, 1400. If it breaks down here, we'll set our stop. But hmm, okay, pull it down. So if I'm trying to make grand off this, here's some math for you. It's $15 a tick, which means it's going to be $60 a $60 a point. If I need 3,000, that means I need a 50-point drop. So I needed to drop back down into this area right there. So that's going to be where my take profit is once it hits there. This could be a long little ride, but we do have news coming out in 2 minutes. And typically, when you have the payroll shoot up, you have the other one shoot down. They don't ever line up with each other. That's just the history that I've always noticed is one goes up, one goes down, or one goes down, one goes up. News out a little bit ago from Bowman, one of the Fed speakers. He said the progress on inflation seems to have stalled. So let's just get on seem to be crossing down on the MACD, which days like this you can't really afford it. Or count for the MACD indicators to be accurate because everything's been influenced by the news. So let's just see. This might be a long shot, but we're really hoping to capitalize on this jump right here. Would be 20. That's 8. Oh, and there's a push up for the last minute buyers. Let's see what they decide to do. Here we go. Here's some numbers and news. Let's see. Okay. So we got the hope push, and then sellers didn't like the 5 year inflation. Okay. Expectations was a lot lower than expected. Prelim, the 1 year went up, the 5 year stayed the same. And then you got business. We're kind of just sitting at a standstill. Didn't really digest that news very well, huh? So you see all this volume right here. That means there was low volume before it grind up, which means now sellers need to come back and collect this. Because this is going to be an area of interest where this high volume is. Where this high volume congestion is where everybody's going to try to come back down to. Who knows when it's going to today or at the end of the day, but like it's been weird for the past couple months. Like freaking the Fridays used to always be a sell. Everybody was doing profits for Friday. That way they get back money over the weekend, put it in the bank. Nowadays you just see buyers all the way through Friday, all the way up until the end. You get this final little Friday pushes. So let's just see. I mean, I don't see. Yeah, we're all time highs. There's nothing else really stopping us, but we are at all time highs. And yeah, this is this is just kind of a danger zone, and it seems to be like hey, your best bet is just blindly jump in on a long and just ride it because it's not coming down anymore. So this might just be a short day, a short video because it's making me sick. Ugh. Yeah, with yesterday's daily candle, we actually closed lower than we opened, so it was the first red candle in a while, but only $63 difference. Today, we're already sitting at 136. So this is this is just wild. Yeah, let's see. 563 would have been the breakout from yesterday's high. So yeah, it's just ugly. This is one of those just one of those days. Shit, shit doesn't go how you plan. So we'll sit here and watch it. See if I can't salvage something online. Oh yeah, you can't even see where my damn. Oh no, nine just closed out. Oh, I'm guessing nine just closed out. Huh. Okay. Well, whatever. We'll see. Yeah. Eventually, after these shorts, I mean, eventually you'll catch one and you'll catch it right. Yeah. When is it going to happen? Because from what I've noticed, the main four out of the Mag 7 that influence NASDAQ are NVIDIA, Apple, Microsoft, Amazon. But if any one of those is going green or making green candles, NASDAQ is too. But the three others could be dropping. Like NVIDIA is dropping right now. Microsoft's selling off. Amazon is dropping. But Apple is the only one going green slightly. So, I mean, it's just really freaking tough. So I mean, maybe maybe we can do a little sell off, but I might just cut this one quick and then re-enter at a better. Of course, but I mean, this area just needs to get filled with volume. When you see high volume and high volume, you see this little lull in here. This is going to be an area of interest. So like 588 to 535. So this little $50 gap right here is going to be what people are trying to fill. But yeah, I'm only seeing green a little bit, but damn, like just need that flush. Just need that flush. Let's see if we can't just catch something, man. Right down under that 21, but we're right back up to our. Mm, let us drop it. Nope. It's gonna be a breakout right here, and it's gonna run back up. So I'm gonna close, try to catch some profits. Just gonna be real. There we go. So yeah, shit. Hit it at 135 and give it to me at 60. That was pretty quick. So let's see if we can't get a better entry. 607's gonna be better than that 601 that you were just at, but let's see if we even get it filled. What is let me the spy? There's a huge gap on the Dow. Hmm. Oh, it barely came up. It almost kissed it. Yep, and there we are. Now we're in. So about $50 is what we needed to just drop. Don't know what could cause that, but let's just buy right here. Even though I just said it was going to be a break. Came down, touched 21. Now it's going to go up. If we can drop it down to the 560s. That'd be great, but highly doubt. Pull it down. This is ugh, this needs to pull down. Let's just have this little drop. Ugh, just some minor profits. Just that's what easy is, especially these Mondays, like you see Monday passes. You just want to pass it so quick so that Monday it's just a fresh kind of deal, and you could just go. You can just start on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Friday at the end of the day, take your payout. But hey, it's the one thing I did like about Take Profit. Yeah, you can take payouts daily, but it was 5 days minimum pass. So 50K account, you need to make $600 a day, 5 days a week. Hmm. Let's see. Do we got any type of reversals? Maybe break out, yeah, but anything to there's nothing. I mean, it keeps wicking up, and it looks like the buyers are trying to step in, but sellers have like a wall up here. It seems like so. Hopefully, the sellers can finally hold the shit. So who knows? Who knows? Because certainly I don't. Huge, huge green candle for Microsoft. Amazon making green, but Nvidia and Apple dropping red. So let's see what really happens. What is this? 592. Yep, you should have just logged it. Ugh, dang. I'm gonna have to cut it here in a minute, or it's gonna cut itself. It's either gonna cut itself or I can't. I'm not gonna pull the trigger. Yeah, that's it's just gonna keep grinding up. It doesn't. It's not going to stop. It's just gonna keep making new highs. All that's it's gonna keep making new highs until the buyers just run out of money, which banks. So there we go. One account already dead. At least two should be dead, but they're not for some reason. Oh, cool. It knocked me out of one and kept me alive in two. That sucks. Hmm. Let's see. Let's see. Ugh, one of these days. Now just figure out where the ooh, now you're trying to time it. When is it gonna over? When is it gonna mhm. One of these days. Let's go. Let's jump in with this one. Mm, right there. Yeah, it's good. Just ridiculous. Just shoots right back up, man. Man, it just keeps on ripping. This is fuck. Got a low, higher low, and it looks like this is going to be a high low until it breaks down there. Mm-mm. Let's see. They're really, really. Ah, yeah. I wish this little back button wasn't there. Shit, when you're trying to see something, I want to see this. Hey, let's see if we can. Let's see something real quick. Just need 15. So right there. There you go. See if we can't just catch something. You know, it'd be funny. This stop is where our entry is on the other ones. Crazy. So at least we know if these hit, then my other two accounts are saved in a sense. But damn, dude, you got a huge gap from overnight in S&P and Nasdaq. So see if we can't. Oh, I can't even do that right there. Stupid. There we go. If you zoom in enough, it'll let you hit it. Just hit it. There we go. We got filled. Pull down. Dude, this is ridiculous. This is you're watching a live version of insanity, doing the same things over and over, expecting different results. I just can't pull myself to long appear and get absolutely rug pulled like what's bound to happen. This is rough. See if we can't even get it to fucking just come back down a little bit. So on this, you just need $6. $6. That's it. Just come back down. Mm-mm. Mm. Oh, there it goes. That's bullshit, dude. Absolute bullshit. Fuck. Now watch. I'm gonna go get in long. Okay. I'm gonna go get in long right back there and watch this shit. Mm. Now look, see, look at that shit. Come back and fill up, and then it's just gonna bleed this account dry, and then also bleed that account. So I'm gonna be red on both accounts, dude. I don't know what the fuck to do today. Oh, mm-mm-mm. Yeah, it is not going anywhere. Now it's just staying right in the middle, killing both my positions. Mm. Ugh, so stupid. So fucking stupid. Dude. We're just staying both. So yeah. Finally in the green, but this one's about to die. That account's gonna become worthless. Oh, this sucks. Damn, dude. Mm-mm-mm. 9. 9, 10. Yay. Made it. Lost it. See if we can come back here and just get out and now reverse it because it's bullshit, dude. Yeah. I think that, yeah, that's counts as a good loan. Ugh. Okay, so 14, 15, 16. Okay. Oh, yeah, no. See, it just broke out again. Let's see if we can't. See if we can at least get to break even and reevaluate everything because this is rough. This is rough. What do I need? I need 6:37. Let me set an alarm. 6:37. Set an alarm. That I can pay attention. On the 2 minute, you have this fancy little. Ooh, yeah, 2 minutes. Okay. You got this little 3 bar reversal, trend breaking, all that good shit. You know, breaking. Hopefully, it just continues right back up. Maybe I can catch to that high. Let's just see how it plays out. Unless this is just going to be one of those days where it's bye, bye, bye. Buy every dip. Dip, buy, dip, buy, dip, buy. Damn it, what the hell, what was that? So, 36.25. Yeah, you could have sold it for $100 loss. See if we can't break it back up and just pop. Just give me a pop. Oh, we're in profits, but it's so hard not to just take the profits now. Mhm. Oh, come on. Come on. Just push it. Push it just a little bit. Well, the spires are already gone. Which what I've been talking about was it's gonna be a buy day, just keep longing it until it's not. And once it stops being a long, or once it stops going up, I'm gonna be long and then just get clapped and slapped around. Let's see. Let us see. Mm. Yeah, right back down again. Damn, dude. It never fails. Yeah. Drop, drop, drop. Red, red. Shit, dude. This, ah. uh, this is brutal. What? My alarm just went off that it crossed above 6:37. Too bad that was 2 minutes ago. Oh, yeah, cool. The account shut down. So that was dead. Uh, I mean, you can't short here, dude. Y'all can short if y'all want, but there's no reason for me to think short now. You know, just watching the ini- initial trend, everything is up. Yet you have indicators that are pointing down. Like, look, you got your trend right there. So, I think 695. All right, let's get back to this because here's another fun. I got three more accounts. I'm just gonna dip in, dump in, name those other three accounts dead because those will be three practice accounts on Monday. Yeah, here we go. Freaking deadly. On a 1 minute, it hits 21 and bounce back up. On a 2 minute, it has not. Remember, we're longing everything. Even though the 21 is starting to curve down, it cool. Right when I thought about getting long, it starts to drop. Oh man. Scared money don't make money though. Oh. Oh. What? Oh man, I screwed that up. 14, 15, 16. Save. Do. Done. Now that that just happened, come on. There we go. We'll just swing it there. Okay, so need a 50-point drop. Pass 200 times. Oh, no, 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 no. Need 200 ticks, which comes out to, yeah, dollar drop. So we need it down to 72. Bye. If we break that, that'll be my new stop. Ugh, this one, I want to have like the tightest stops I can imagine. I almost want to put stop there just because I know I'm missing out on so much droppage. So we've hit a double top. So that's where the candle closed, was right there. But look, couldn't break, couldn't break. This one wicked up to it, it couldn't break. So nowhere does it show that it's going back up unless we make a triple top. And it comes and then it finally breaks. But even now, we're at the double bottom. So our range is like where? We'll do this horizontal line and horizontal line. Yeah, that's your range right there. That shit. Fuck, man. That can't. Oh, that's sickening. This, what's the range looking like? So 640, 617. That's $23 range. Long there and sold up here and then reverse and sold down. This would be perfect for range traders, but I saw that a little too late. So that's just how my day's gonna go. You'll get to watch it. You'll get to watch it complete fade and death. Mhm. Yep. This is exactly how you knew today would go. Just absolutely ridiculous. Amazon fat green candle. Nvidia went from big red to green. Apple's been making red candles. Microsoft been making green. So shit, man, who knows? Certainly not me. Certainly not me. Of course, this is where you should short. So let's shoot right there. So just a deadly day. A deadly day. Can't clap. We can't catch $180 profit. It's 22. If we can go catch these bottoms. Hmm. Hmm. Let's pull back down because we have those other three accounts that need you back to 622. Profit right there. That way I know this hits. Those will move me back into safety. But if that breaks, that's when I know I have to get out. But shit, man, this is how it's been all week. Just chop it. Makes a huge move and then just chop. See the 5 minute candles. Yeah, it hasn't broken any direction yet. Like this is ridiculous. You have this big old gap that still needs to come down and get filled. You know, this is a huge gap. What 580 to 555? Yeah, that's 25 $25 gap. You want to see the 15 minute? Still got 592, 555. That's 37. So I mean, we got gaps on days to fill, but shit, it just didn't happen. It sucks, but that's trading. I'm not giving the money back on this one. I thought some type of mm, come on, come on. Ugh, push down. Don't reverse. Don't reverse. Just push down. Come on, sellers. Come on, sellers. I mean, dude, the Bears. I'll give them credit where credit's due because they fucking held this shit. They held it strong. This was probably gonna. This was gonna close either way. I'm securing profits at this point. Is this 1, 2, 3 breakout candle is going to be next? Yep. Yep. Breakout candle coming up. I mean, on the 1 minute, we're well under the Well, under the 21 EMA, we're coming back down again, but gonna get out. Okay, on the other three accounts, I ended up salvaging $46, but I feel like we are going to break down and fall. We hit a top right there, and the top over here. The triple top has failed. So now it's the double bottoms time. But I just told y'all we've been in a range, which means you should long here, ride it back up to here. But I don't feel comfortable or safe longing down here when you have all this that needs people to close out their positions. See all this volume? All those people need to close out their positions. So let's get back over here. I'm just gonna short three. That's just one contract each. Let's see. It failed. Oh, oh no, let's just see. I'll put my limit down there. It's 30. It's 24. That'd be a $480 win on each. But yeah. The spy is coming down to VWAP, which oh yeah, I don't know why I don't have VWAP on here. Okay. Huh. I guess I don't. Let's check these bad boys out. VWAP? Non-VWAP bands? No. Tiki VWAP? I don't know what the hell those are. Hmm. Let's see. If it drops back up under there, set you. How average? It's gonna kiss it. Okay, there you go. Now drop it. Let's see. So now, if you're doing $10, which is $40, you're trying to make 3 grand, so you're gonna need about a $75 drop, which 75 would be 550, which is right in that middle area. That's what would I say? 75. So by let it break below these lows. then I'll put, come on, drop, 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 drop. Oh shit, dude. Oh, it just slid. Just absolute ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous, man. Brutal. Mm. Mm. Oh, we got that big old drop. Finally, good. Now we're set. We'll just put it there. We're securing profits at this point. Oh, jeez. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now let's drop a little bit lower. Don't really give. There it goes. Okay. Either way, secured only 400 bucks. Oh, India is taking huge reds. I want to sell again. Damn, it would have just wicked my original stop. It would have just wicked the original one out just to drop back down again. So, at the bottom of that candle, secure some profits. It's gonna wake up. It's a good thing I did not move it down one more tick. One more tick, and I would have been stopped out. Whatever. That's fine. I feel comfortable now to just take a. I mean, now it's starting to wick up and turn into red candles. Those wick ups typically mean buyers got swallowed back up by the sellers and tends to mean a reversal. But damn, like that quick slide up though. Well, let's just drop. I mean, it might only drop to down here, but it needs to come in and fill some of this volume up in here, especially right there in that low in these little low areas. We're at almost an even number. That 600 is like a little battleground area. Come on, it's just gonna close it. Just take it. Ugh. Why couldn't this just happen earlier? It did. It just did the opposite. It said up instead of down. Mm, mm. Once it breaks that. Let's see. We'll short it. So whichever one happens first, we'll catch this one at 21 rejection. So we'll catch it at 21, or we're gonna catch it on the breakout. Let's just see what like the 5 minute looks like. Yeah, 5 minute still just finally had that breakout candle. 614 was that what should we call it? 614 was that wild ass uh bottom. So I mean, I almost want to just get in right here because now look, it's like slowly stalling, but I got filled, so I'm comfortable with that. As long as we don't come back up here and break this shit, we'll be fine. 639 would be a 25-point run, which comes out to be $500. There goes all your profits if it breaks that. Damn, dude. Fed Goolsby a couple minutes ago said the Fed series of meetings that will be close calls between cutting and now they're talking about easing up on the rate cuts. But again, a minute ago, rates will be fair. Oh, he says they will be a fair bit lower a year from. So they might just do less cuts at higher, or who knows? I mean, that's really interesting how they're going to pretty much be voting on cuts last minute. But then this next year, rates will be a fair bit lower. That's ridiculous. Now, I mean, we got that big old owner candle. Ugh. Roll off. Not roll off. But yeah. Oh, absolutely crazy, man. Big old red, just big old sellers come in, trickle, trickle, trickle. V recovery, huge buys, just absolutely ridiculous. Can we at least get to this volume area? Okay, let's see. Just break this. Go into this little gap. I mean, this is a baby gap. Yep, I got filled immediately. Ugh, dude. Fuck. Ugh. I don't know. Y'all been listening to me bitch for about an hour now, or a little over an hour. Well, if y'all want to stick around, y'all can stick around. If y'all want to go off and go do something else, I mean, shit. Today was going to be a day where I could just knock it out, get it done with, and move on for the weekend. But shit, it's 6 accounts, 8 accounts later. Yeah, that's it. That's kind of my deal. It wouldn't have been as bad. Freaking yesterday, I had an issue with Tradeovate, and that's why I had to get new funded or my funded accounts because after the stream, I didn't know there was a buy order somewhere placed on the damn somewhere on the platform. I went back and rewatched my live stream from yesterday. Didn't buy order anywhere on the video, and I was done after I took that little break. I was like, "What? Screw it. I still have Friday. Let's just be done with it." I got back in, like I opened it back up a little bit after lunch just to kind of look and see what the markets were doing, and I noticed that my accounts were negative 800 by the time I even saw, and it was only in one contract. So I was like, man, what the hell happened? So my dumbass decided to try to average up so that I could catch a drop at some point. By then, I'd hit my max drawdown, lost all the accounts, lost all 5 accounts, just one fell swoop, and it absolutely killed that and just killed my momentum. And I was like, well, shit, man, that's a seems to be how my days are going. Seems to be how this week is going for me. Probably shouldn't have traded it all this week, but you got to make a paycheck, you got to get your money in. And that's what it is. So I got waiting on my refund from Top Step. So that'll be a nice little chunk. But other than that, like I'm getting ready for the holidays. This is a weird week in December. I mean, it's the first week of December. And it's just real weird how the price action has been every day for the past week. Like, yeah, they look like huge moves, but there's very little volume. I mean, shit, dude. You can even see just today has had the most volume, and I guess it's because of numbers, but even just here, this little area, just what Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, up, up, up. Typically, a rebar reversal comes into play. Never came into play. I mean, you went from 517 to 450. You open up at 450, no gap, no nothing, and look, we're at 620. So you've already had a $170 move right here. It's just fuck. Seems to be. I'll tell you right now, more often than not, if you just buy one long position at the open, and I'm talking in my time, 5 p.m. Central, when it when the new session opens, so Asia session. If you just buy at that open, 9 out of 10 times it looks like you're just gonna win. You're gonna wake up with money in the bank. As long as you can survive it. So maybe do something like 3 micros or some shit. But again, I mean, there's there's some drops, there's some drops, there's some drops. But days like this, man, you can just it's almost tempting just to throw 3 micros out, and, it's almost tempting to just throw a couple micros on and just forget about it because, I mean, shit, look, even on these red days, it still gaps up. It's still gapped up. Then this one, boom, just up. Even though that's a red candle, it's still up, up, up. So here, back in the summer was the only real time that shit, man. What in the hell? When the hell did I have these drawings? Oh, obviously I had them back from years ago. Huh, wild. So yeah, I think next week we can start dropping some micros on it. When I go, yeah, before I go to sleep, just throw some micros in. Might just do two, and then I might do it two at 5, and then before I go to sleep, if it's down, I'll just throw two more in there. Boom, I'm at 4. 4 for every tick is $2. So every point would be $8. I mean, shit, even if it runs $100, $50. I mean, that's still $400 more than we started with. If it's down, then okay, your $400 that you need to make up, you know. So I think that's what I'm going to start doing. But that's going to be it for the day for me. I got to go lick my wounds because this was a rough one. Other than that, peace out.